All right. All right. Thank you for coming out to the webinar today. I appreciate everyone that came out to watch the webinar and understand exactly what the foreign exchange market is and how IML can help you. Of course, I've been doing this myself for now over 6 months. I've made over $35,000 within that 6 months by learning what IML has taught me. I've created a group called the Elite Fortune Group that once you do sign up, you automatically get put into the group, and we help guide you and understand on how to trade on the foreign exchange market. There's two sides to this. There's the selling side and the learning side. I actually make everyone that's with me learn how to do this before you become a seller of it. Once you can master this product that you are using to learn, then I'll mention to you the seller side. So with that said, one of my students, Whitley, she's part of the Elite Fortune Group. She has picked up this information very, very well and quickly. So like I said, once you pick it up, I'll mention this to you. Whitley, I'm training her on selling this product to others to help them understand and educate themselves on how to trade. So she will be giving you the presentation on exactly what IML is and her experience of it so far. So if you have any questions at any time, please feel free to interrupt her. But Whitley, you have the floor.
Okay, thank you, Travis. And again, welcome. Also, welcome to IMARKETSLIVE. We're going to get into the presentation. So like many of you may already know, Robert Kiyosaki is a best-selling author. He wrote the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and of course a few other books. But his main focus is teaching people about the 4 quadrants of money. On the left side, we have the employee and self-employed. On the right side, we have business owner and the investor. Going back to the left side, that is 95% of the population only making 5% of the money in the world. And on the right side, that is only 5% of the population making 95% of the money. The goal of IMARKETSLIVE is to move you from the left side, whether you're an employee or self-employed, to the right side, to become a business owner and an investor. Now, what is Forex? Forex is the largest financial market. It's trading one currency for another. So for example, if you leave the United States and you go to Europe, when you exchange your dollar for the pound, it's that difference. You are trading the difference. You are able to trade 24 hours, 5 days a week. This particular market is $5.3 trillion average being traded. Again, it's one of the largest markets. Banks, hedge funds, government, and the retail market, they're all using your money in the foreign exchange market. The great thing about the foreign exchange market is that you can trade on any device. So, of course, you can use your computer, but if you have a smartphone, you can trade on the go. Now, what is IMARKETSLIVE? IMARKETSLIVE is a trading education. We provide first-class Forex education and software. It was founded July 4th, 2013. Again, their mission is to set people free. IMARKETSLIVE is operating in over 120 countries. They are debt-free and privately owned. There are no third-party services. So again, it is their tool. It is their education. They're constantly improving it. The next slide is our corporate leadership. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this, but Chris Terry, our Chief Executive Officer, is the president of IMARKETSLIVE. Isis Military, she's the Chief Financial Officer. She's making sure everybody's getting paid on a weekly basis. And Alex and Ivan, they help to make the company run. Now, what makes iMarkets unique? Results with our services are not guaranteed. There are no promises. Again, your results are your results. IMARKETSLIVE does not trade your money or handle investments. You are in control of your money. So their main focus is teaching you how to trade your money. IMARKETSLIVE does not earn on your trades. So if you have a winning trade, they're not taking any commissions from it. Your performance is your performance. Your money is your money. You can enter and exit trades at any time. You're trading at your own risk. Again, your money is your money. You can do what you want. And iMarket's objective is to empower, enrich, and educate millions of customers. So now I'm going to go into the different tools. First tool, IML Academy. It has over 60 videos, and they are adding them daily. It's offered in multiple languages. So if your first language is not English, this is still an opportunity for you. You move from basics to advanced, so you can learn at your own pace with easy to follow steps. And then you can also learn from the expert traders. So I'm going to show you that tool. One second.
Creeping it is.
All right. So
Disrespectful.
all right. So this is the IML Academy. We recommend everybody goes through the basics 1 through 4, and then we jump you over to Harmonic. Within this, you're learning, again, the basics. You're building a foundation, and then you're also learning Harmonics to teach you about exit, entry, and exit. Again, this is helping you to build the foundation. So now the next tool would be iMarketsLive TV. With iMarketsLive TV, you have over 75 hours of live education per week. Again, it's offered in multiple languages, and it's on many different trading sessions. They record their different trading sessions, their different education seminars, and typically they'll keep them up for 5 different recordings, and after the 5th recording, they're adding new ones to it. So I'm going to go, hopefully my internet is not acting stupid, but I'm going to go back to show you this tool. This is the schedule. So Sunday through Saturday at various times during the day, you can find a session that's for you, whether you're still focused on basics or you're actually trying to perfect your strategy. You have someone who's doing that and can help you. The next tool we're going to get into is the Harmonic Scanner. The Harmonic Scanner is scanning the market, creating different patterns. It provides you all the information you need, so it'll tell you when to enter, when to exit, and your different profit levels. This is a privately owned software. So again, this is iMarketsLive software. They update it on a regular. It's always improving. It has a high accuracy rate, so over 80% accurate. I'm actually going to show you that tool. So again, they provide you a pattern. They give you an entry, so that's that green line right here. They give you a stop loss. So if the trade does not go the way you want, they give you a place to get out. And then they give you the different take profit levels. So they're giving you what you need to be successful. All you have to do is follow the template they give. The next tool is the Web Analyzer. Now with the Web Analyzer, similar to the Harmonic Scanner, it is IML, so it's a custom platform. You receive precision trades and setups. You combine this with the trading strategy that you already have to catch higher probability trades. It helps to find trades for you, and it helps you with the entries for those particular trades. So I'm going to show you that. And I'm in love with the web analyzer. It's treated me very good. So with the web analyzer, if you look to the right, it gives you the potential trades. All you have to do is click on it. It gives you the time that this particular trade took place or the pattern took place. You check to make sure that the time matches up. So you look at the very bottom. You follow the indicators that are on your screen, which you will learn about within your basics and your harmonics on the IML Academy. And then you get in or you exit based off of that. Okay, so the next tool, the daily swing trades. I'm actually not going to show you an example because this is sent via your email and I have too many emails to go through. But you get weekly trade forecasts from Chris Terry. Again, that's the president of IML. He helps us analyze major pairs. And then he also helps to teach new techniques every week. Another tool, which is very popular, is FX Signals Live. It's 100% hands-free. It has a 2 to 10% historical monthly return. It has risk management already built in, and it also is geared towards conservative growth. So remember, this is for long-term wealth creation. I'm going to show you that. So I already have a trader selected, but you have the option to pick a trader based off of your risk. Professional Waves, he's a medium risk trader. If you go down here, we can see that he has a winning trade percentage of 70%. His average trades per month, he's put 94 trades through. The market's closed today, so we don't have anything to show you under today, but last week he had a 0.18% gain, last month 4.42% gain, and last year 169.81% gain. Now, if you all actually pay attention to your bank statement, those who have savings accounts, you would see that you only make probably 0.001% gain with your savings account. That's no competition to FX Signals Live. So 0.001% versus 169.81%. There's no competition. So if you even put your money here and let them build it for you, you're going to have a higher return than just letting it sit in your savings account. The next tool, Fusion Trader. Again, this is similar to FX Trader, but this is high activity, high risk. You can customize your experience by choosing a different trader based on the level of risk. You can customize your strategy. It's great for smaller accounts. FX Signals is more so for $1,000 or higher. This one you can get started with $300. It's geared towards aggressive growth. I'm going to show you that as well. Again, I already have somebody selected. This is Raptor. He's a high-risk trader. He has a 71.35% winning trade percentage. He's put in about 178 trades per month. Last week, he had a 0.32% gain. Last month, 82.01% gain. And last year, 100.73% gain. Again, this is no comparison to your savings account, which is only giving you 0.001% gain. Now, with Fusion Trader and FX Signal, they're both auto traders. Completely hands-free. You put your money there and you do not have to worry about it. But if you are watching it, you're uncomfortable, this is your money and you can exit a trade at any time, although it's not recommended. The next tool will be Swipe Trades. I do not have an example to show you, but this is an app on your phone where you'll receive notifications. All you have to do is copy and paste what they give you. They provide the entry, the stop loss, and take profit, as well as notes. You do not need to know anything about the Forex market. You do not need to know anything about trading. It's literally copying and pasting. This is an awesome way to supplement your income. The only thing with Swipe Trades, we recommend that you always have your phone on you, because if they send you an alert telling you to get out of the trade, you have to get out of the trade because they're telling you for a specific reason. So if you do not keep your phone on you, or you always have it on silent, this may not be the tool for you. I am going to now hand it over to Travis. He's going to go into a little bit more detail about the harmonic scanner.
You know what, Willie? Can you just go ahead and go over the price structure? Let's get that out the way so they can not focus on that.
Okay. So before we get to price, training, and support with IML, you get IMLTrain.com. You also have the IML corporate app, and you also have 7-figure mentorship. So all of the different training videos, you have access to those 24 hours a day. So now we're going to talk about how you can get started. We offer 2 different packages. We have the Platinum package, and under this you get the IML Academy, you get IML TV, you get Harmonic Scanner, and the Daily Swing Trades. You get all of this for paying $195 one time and then $145 a month after. We also have the Platinum Plus package, which gives you the IML Academy, IML TV, Harmonic Scanner, Daily Swing Trades, and it also gives you the Swipe Trades, Fusion Trader, Web Analyzer, and FX Signals Live. For that, it is $235 one-time fee, and then $185 a month after that.
Great. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, and you see that up on there, this is the part that I just wanted you guys to knock that out the way so you can understand. Don't focus on that price, because we do things in our group, which you will be getting into when you sign up. We work with you to get 2 under you so this can become free for you. Whitley has taken on a role to help everybody and understand what everybody needs, whether they need 1 or if they need 2. She's doing a great job at working with everyone on that. And a lot of that information is stored in our Facebook group. But outside of that, you can literally make this $185 in a trade. So that's why I want to go ahead and knock it out, get it out the way so you're not thinking about it. Whitley, I appreciate you doing that part. Now I am going to get into the money aspect of this and how we get paid. This is our group chat back here. So once you do sign up, you will notice that we are pretty active. We do help each other. We talk about all types of things that can make us money, because we are the Elite Fortune group, and that is our goal. But let's get back to the actual harmonic scanner and how we can make money. Now, this is the harmonic scanner in the background. As you can see, this is giving us one of the signals. I'm going to read it from left to right. It's saying the United States dollar versus the Swiss on a 4-hour chart. It's giving us a Gartley signal, and that was 3 hours ago. Now, when I want to calculate that, we trade off something called lots. The first lot that we have is a micro lot. You would do 0.01, that equals 10 cents. You then have a mini lot. You would do 0.10, that equals $1, and you have a standard lot. That is 1.0, and that equals $10. Now, the harmonic scanner is literally telling us exactly what to put in. You would put these in, set triggers, and then go on about your day, because you calculated it and you know exactly how much money you're going to lose if the trade goes bad, and you know exactly how much money you're going to make if the trade goes wrong. Now, once I do the calculations that they've told me right here, I put the entry price in, I put my stop loss in. Once calculated, it's leaving me with 80 pips. So I know that I'm going to lose 80 pips if this trade goes wrong, but we don't think that way. Everything goes right. Now you would choose which take profit that you want, TP1, 2, or 3. And once again, these are your triggers. You set them and you make them happen. If you chose take profit 1, you would be gaining 70 pips. Take profit 2, 108 pips. Take profit 3, 170 pips. And once again, all I'm doing is entering the numbers the harmonic scanner tells me. Now, when people first get started, they're going to start trading with like 0.20, and that's 20 cents per pip. So I just told you we're going to risk 80 pips. I multiply 20 cents times 80. I'm risking $16. Ooh. So worst case scenario, I'm going to lose $16. Take profit 1 times 70. 20 cents times 70 is $14. 20 cents times 108 is $21.60. 20 cents times 70, is $140. Is $140. So now look, you are essentially doubling your money without a problem while you're asleep. Okay, so you're not even doing anything to make this money. All you are going to do is literally wake up to the money once these triggers are set. Or you could be getting off work to the money. You know, it doesn't matter how you do it. You set the triggers, you let it go. When you get started, you're going to watch it. I'm going to tell you all the time, go to sleep. Don't look at it anymore. You set these up. So you would have about 3 or 4 of these trades open. So essentially, you could maybe possibly lose $16 or you could gain $140. But what I tell everybody, it's about risk management. As long as you stay no more than 3% of your total account size per trade, 1% minimum, 3% max. If you stay within that number, you live the fight. So look, let's just take this. We have 1 trade in. At worst case, we lose $16. If we had 10 of these trades, so 7 of them went bad, 7 times 16, I lost $112. Now let's just take the take profit 2, right? If I had the next 3, all right, they went good. 3 times 21, 60. That ain't right. Well, yeah, that is right. You get $64. So as you can see, I'm almost right there. But if you would have chose take profit 3 like myself, and we do 3 times 140, yeah, we're making $420 off of those 3 trades together, where we lost $80-some off the previous 7 trades. So if you do your risk management correctly, if you got 10 trades set up, 7 go bad, the next 3 are going to make you more money than those 7 lost. So it's all risk management is very, very key when trading on the foreign exchange market and anything else in life. Honestly, everything has a risk factor, so you need to make sure you're doing risk management correctly. Willie, did I miss anything in there? Can't remember.
Moving your stop loss.
Oh, yes. So now let's say you get here and you chose take profit 3. All right. Now, money, you look at it and it's up here in between take profit 1 and take profit 2. Well, now you would just go modify your trade. All right. So you're already in it, but you're waiting for it to get to take profit 3 before it goes out. So now you would raise your stop loss, and I would put my stop loss right here at take profit 1. So now it's no longer a stop loss, it's a stop profit. So if it turns around, worst case scenarios, I make $14. But that takes work in getting into and getting used to understanding what's going on. You will be provided a demo account and a live account. So you do different strategies in your demo account so you can understand and realize what type of trader you are and what type of trader you like to be to create your trading plan. I believe that is everything. Let me see. Do we have any questions about anything? I saw you move your stop loss from 80 to 40 pips. All right, so look, once you start to study this information, okay, you will realize that there's no longer that we need to bid 80 pips, right? So 80 pips is what the scanner told me to do, but I studied this information. I know what's going on. I'm going to bid somewhere around 40 pips. So that's what I'm going to risk, 40 pips instead of the 80 what they told me. Now I'm going to raise my lot size, right? I'm going to take my lot size to, let's say, $3. So I would do 3 times 40. I'm losing $120 if this trade goes bad. Now, 3 times 70, I would get 210 on take profit 1, which usually hits majority of the time. 3 times 108, I would get 324. And then we do 3 times 170. I get 510. So like I said, just think, if we had 10 trades, 7 went bad, 7 times 120, you'd be out $840. But the next 3, all right, so let's see, we did 3 times 324. You get $972. So as you can see, all 7 went bad, 3 went good. We still made more money than those 7 that lost. If you stick with the 3 to 1% concept, this is how you stay in the game and you live to fight another day. Yes, you do get a demo account. The Harmonic scanner is one of the most successful tools that I've seen it have. Like I said, it's at 82%, but the web analyzer is something new that they provided with us. And I need to get into it myself. Whitley's actually teaching us how to use the web analyzer, so it's great to get in. I don't know everything about it myself, but that's what the beauty of our group. Yes, we do have, so IML is also teaching us how to trade binary and cryptocurrency against the dollar. So you could actually jump in and start to learn that information now while they're giving it to us for free. Now, yes, absolutely. The broker. So there's 2 sides, right? So IML, what you're buying into, is the training and the software side. They're doing nothing more but teaching you how to trade on the foreign exchange market. You need a broker, all right? So my broker is Trader's Way. This is where my actual money is, and they control the account as far as putting your money in, pulling your money out, making the trades that you want. That is all done on Trader's Way. They have absolutely nothing to do with IML, all right? I need you to realize that IML is nothing more than teaching you. Trader's Way is your broker account, just like the E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, anybody else. This is the same thing that Trader's Way is. All right. I don't see any more questions. Whitley, is there anything else that you think of?
Nope.
All right. If anybody has any questions, please contact me. If you are interested in signing up, please send an email to info@officialtravisdavis.com. We will get in contact with you to give you the link so you can sign up. Even if you have any other questions, email them to info@officialtravisdavis.com. We'll make sure we get those answered for you. We look forward to you joining the team, and let's learn and earn this money. I will talk to everyone later. Have a blessed week.